Okay. And
Yo,
the
what's up,
items
guys?
that
Welcome
we
back to my
find.
YouTube channel.
Hold up.
And today we are killing every single monster with a stick. Stick. We might die, but
No, here I got you. So we're not going to just start with sticks. We're gonna only have 2 sticks per person. I have a backpack. We can only find somebody. Stop breaking the sticks. You can only have 2. So we only are allowed to have 2 sticks. Whatever we find is whatever we get to put in our stash. So now I gotta get rid of all of my stuff in my stash. All of my stuff. All of my stuff. All of my stuff. All of my stuff. All of my beautiful stuff. So whatever.
is this red? That's red.
Okay, so I gotta collect all of this stuff really quick. Ready? Come on. Okay, so follow me.
I threw those.
Yeah, grab that stuff that you have right there. Put it in.
I don't get why you can't put sticks on your hip.
You can't find these. Look, you can't find these anymore. You can't find these.
The red flashlights? Yeah, you can. In crates.
Okay, so whatever we get out of boxes, or whatever we find on the ground, we're allowed to use. But if we find something that it's very useful, then we can use it. But we have to start from scratch. We have to kill every single monster, and we have to start with a single stick. Come on, do you have a backpack?
Yeah.
Well, you have to start with 2 sticks. Dude, you need a backpack.
I have one.
Get a big backpack, bro. You're gonna put 1 stick in the backpack, and then you're gonna, once that stick breaks, we're going to have to use the others. Where do you want to start first? Ignore this. This is not a part of the challenge. You can't pick that up because that's mine.
Let's do the sewers. Sewers first.
Sewers? Oh, come. How are we supposed to get out of sewers? And yes, you can. We can get money.
Okay.
Where are we?
I can't see anything.
Oh, I got a new weapon unlocked.
Pipe.
Watch out, I can't see. Do you have anything? A light? Something?
I'm gonna kill the mimic.
Ah, what the fudge? What the fudge? You're attacking me! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back!
I killed it. I killed it. Let's go.
Flare, we're gonna flare. Hold on.
Wait, we can see now.
Oh.
Kinda. Come on.
Hold on.
I killed it! I killed the bomb!
We killed the
Arrow.
bomb. So
I killed the bomb! I killed the bomb!
We
I killed the bomb,
yeah. Over here, we killed the bomb in the flashbang bomb. Should we try the assist or no?
That's gonna be really hard because we don't have a grappler.
I got him.
No! I got it. Revive me. Uh-oh. Okay.
Can't get me from that far. Okay. Come on. Okay. We gotta kill him. Don't touch it. Don't go by me.
Oh, wait. this whole video was about killing every monster with sticks.
Okay, we've killed the cyst. We've killed the cyst. Freeze!
In the next video, we're gonna be boxing every monster. Oh, wait, I got a Hulk fist.
I'm over here. Help
I got
me.
Hulk fist.
Dude, I'm telling you, no, we don't need all this. That's not an upgrade. Don't use that. That sucks.
I mean, it's better than a stick.
Watch out! Okay, we got
I mean,
it,
it's better than a stick.
Ooh, I got a flashbang. Okay.
And we can also break these.
And we can break these for resources.
Yeah.
Nope, that's a rubber ducky. We don't need a rubber ducky.
Okay.
And a banana. Wait, bro, come here. Follow me. Over here.
Oh, wait.
Okay, so we already killed the cyst. We already killed the cyst. No, use. How come we not bring that? That sucks.
Why?
How? Ow! How do you get this?
I got one. Hold up. I'm greedy as fuck.
Dude, you have to come. We're about to die.
Okay.
Dude, I'm
coming.
so close to death. Okay? So you need to protect me.
Okay.
We need to know. So have we killed every single monster down here? Yes, we killed the big bomb. We've killed I killed the big bomb. I killed the red light, green light. We killed the mimic. We've killed
I killed the bomb. You killed the big bomb.
Yep, and then we killed the flashbang.
Somehow.
So we have. We'll know which ones we've killed. Do we go down there? Is that where we need to go?
No, let's go to the teleporter, so we can teleport back home.
Come on.
Where are you?
I'm going to the teleporter. I'm going to the teleporter.
I'm all the way over here.
Why? That's not where the teleporter is.
I don't know. My controller glitched out and it's pulling me down here.
Oh wait.
How do
Is
I
there a
make
way
it
to get
there?
back? Wait, just die. We can get new sticks.
I need a
Just
lot.
jump off. We can get new sticks.
No.
You're not.
Where'd you go?
We are humans.
What?
I died. Yep.
Hey, I could make it, bro.
But this is my literal normal code. Why is there so many people in it? This is my normal code. Why? Dude, right when you jumped, I was there. I wall climb. I can wall climb, bro. No.
That's fine. Okay.
Can we start with a good resource or something like?
Now we
I
need
don't have
to.
a backpack now. I don't have a backpack, bro. But we did do it. We killed every single monster down there, so
Get a lot of sticks.
But now
Get a
we
lot
gotta
of sticks.
buy.
Never
No,
mind.
don't get a lot, cause then it weighs us down. Don't get a lot.
Just get
we don't
3.
do-
Just get 3.
Fine. I'll get 3. So then we'll use that on the monsters. Then we'll find a new thing. Once we find a new thing, we'll get them. We're going
Okay,
to go to
forest.
here really quick. We killed anglerfish, right? We killed them.
Yeah.
So we've
Let's
already
kill
ahead of ourselves. We've
chicken.
killed. So since we killed angler off camera.
You.
I don't want it. We gotta go for giant.
What are you guys doing?
Oogie boy.
Okay, bye. I'm pumping him with sticks.
We
bro.
killed it.
Where is he? We killed Angler
I got a flare.
before also, so we need
What
to.
is happening
what
to
else
that
should we kill?
chicken?
Whoa, we have to kill the Easter bunny.
My stick.
I only have one more stick.
I have one more.
I have 2 sticks now.
Okay, let's get
Oh, my stick broke.
Okay, where are you going?
chicken.
We already got the chicken though.
No, I didn't. Oh wait, not that one.
Oh,
This one.
I'm having a stomach ache. Ah, I ate too much chicken. Bro, we need to
Wait,
we need
where
to
is
find
the
a new
chicken?
weapon. Wait, we can go in the cave.
We can go in the cave.
What do you mean? You want to find chicken? Follow me.
Oh, there it is. Okay, anger it, run.
No, we need to kill it.
Yeah. Anger it, run, kill it.
Ah!
Kill it.
Help me!
Got you.
Help me! Help me! Kill it! Kill it! It's a chicken! It's a chicken! It's not good. We killed it. We got chicken. Oh, bomb.
Impact
bomb, bomb,
grenade. We can use
Wait,
this.
where's the chicken? Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Where's the egg?
There's not egg. There's no egg. Somehow.
You're kidding? Are you kidding me?
There's no egg.
Run. Okay, we killed chicken. We killed chicken. Let's go.
Okay.
You have to. Ow! You have to protect me. You know that, right?
I know.
Ogre! No, where are we going? We don't have to kill the monsters in the haunted mansion, because that's not possible. We killed anglerfish. What do we need to kill then?
So we can't kill this monster with a stick, but there is a way to
I
kill a
killed it.
monster. Okay, come here, come here, come here.
I got
Come here.
this! I got a new weapon! I got a new weapon obtained.
Okay,
Run,
come on.
come on. We killed
So-
every single monster around here.
We need
So where do we
to
need
get a
Oh, we need to go to
camera.
mines. We need to go to mines, but we need a new weapon.
No, camera. Haunted mansion. Come here. Okay. We need to go back to spawn, get a camera. Because we need to kill the,
No, we don't
the
need a
monsters in the
camera.
haunted mansion.
Dude, we can't. Well, we can't. We have to find a camera, remember?
Oh, yeah. There's
I
no
don't
way
really
to
think that we
find a
should kill
camera,
those.
though.
We need to skip those. We need to skip those ones. I don't want to
Yeah.
do those.
Okay.
Last time
So-
I passed out.
Let's go to mines.
Yeah, you can also put your weapons in stash, the ones that you want. So I have my weapon.
But
We have
What?
go.
Wait, what? Why is there ghost lady in mines?
just go.
I can't go on the zip line because I can't put it on my hip.
Put it in your backpack.
Oh yeah. I'm stupid.
Bro, where are you?
Right here.
Oh, there you are. Oh, we need to find we need to get a weapon. So where do you want to go to get a weapon? I need a weapon. That's me. So where do we go to get a weapon? Dude, grab it.
We need
So
to
we need-
kill every monster with a stick.
Not just with the stick.
Okay,
we
come
kill
down
a
here.
spider?
We need to kill the spider.
Follow me, bro.
Spidey
Wait.
time.
Where are you?
I'm up here. I jumped up here.
Bro.
I found Spider.
Me too. Jesus.
He's right there.
How? I don't know.
Kill him.
I can't.
Kill Spider.
Murder!
Attack him, attack him. Just keep attacking. Keep hitting him. Don't jump, don't jump. I'll distract him. Yada, 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 yada,
No!
yada.
I died.
I got you. He's not attacking. No, he's on to me. He locked on to me.
I need to get my other stick.
Attack.
Dude,
Ah!
I forgot about Armstrong.
Armstrong! There's an Armstrong! Back. Back. We're dead. I'm dead.
Yeah, let's
dead.
just die already. We need new sticks anyway.
Come here, bud.
We need new sticks anyway.
Yeah, I think I know what to do.
Okay.
We're not playing by the rules no more.
We need
Watch
4
out.
sticks.
Excuse me. Yeah, we also need a rocket launcher.
No, not a, we can't use that.
Or to blow into pieces.
Okay.
Still don't have a backpack. The only thing I have. You know, if you have enough money, you can buy the stuff that you have. I have $700,000. I have $700,000. But is that cheating? Okay. Not. I need I'm gonna get my mini backpack out. I have an idea. No, we're changing this challenge. We're using just sticks, like only just sticks. That's it. That's everything we're using. That's all we can have. Okay, you ready, bro?
Yeah.
Can you? Okay, you can speak still. I was like, hold on, why aren't you speaking?
Okay, let's go back.
Oh, I don't have any hip slots.
We can't put
Here.
sticks on hips.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Right now?
We need to kill.
Should we give up? Like, this is pretty. Just walk then. We need to walk.
Always back down. Always what?
No, it's never back down. Never what?
Give up.
That's what it is. Never back down. Never what? Never give up. You're leaving me behind, bro. Never back down. Never what? Never.
Always give up.
Never, actually. We need to complete this challenge.
If Nick
We're
A30 is
completing it
watching
today.
this,
Tonight,
he's gonna be
I will
crashing
even
out.
complete it when I'm in hell.
Okay.
Okay, so
Jump
we
down.
are going all the way down. On the Arlington back.
Armstrong's right there.
Where?
Where did he go?
Get up here.
It's my body.
Yeah, I noticed. Should we save your body?
It saved my body.
Hold on, we need to outbreak these. These give us. You know that
Those wastes are things.
Look at that. Yeah, but you also get a big box out of it.
Yeah.
Look what I got! I wasted my stick on a.
I killed it.
Okay, we're good.
My
Where's
body.
Don't do that to your own body. Going the wrong way. We need to kill one Armstrong.
We also need to kill Bloody Armstrong too.
Okay, follow me.
Okay. Where are you? Why did you spawn up there? and not
I
up
don't know.
there. You spawn like
We're
up
giving
there.
up. We're giving up.
No, 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 bad boy.
Get in there with it.
No, I'm
I
not
give up.
giving up.
Dude, we're not gonna do this. Where did I get money? Oh.
Oh, it's because of the backpack. You sold the backpack.
Yeah, and I only got one from a background. I'm going off-roading. Let's do this!
No, 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 no. We need to kill all the monsters. No! We need to kill all the monsters. Come on.
I'm killing all the monsters.
No, no, no. Not with the sticks.
Fine. We'll just say that I found it on the ground.
No. I'm still recording.
Can I be the extra? Can I be the extra protection then? Yeah, so if you die, I know to blow them up.
Nah. Dude,
Okay, let's go.
why is Flapjack spam coming? Spam
Go.
calling.
Bro, come
I
on.
cannot speak right now.
Don't ask why I have a full bag full of rockets. I'm ready.
No,
never back down, never what, never give up. I'm not giving up.
Dude.
I'm murdering everyone.
dude. We need
What?
sticks.
I have a stick.
And a rocket launcher.
Let's do this.
No, bro, get rid of the rocket
What?
launcher.
Why?
Why do I have a rocket launcher?
No! That's why, bro. Dude.
I panicked.
Dude, actually, bro, get rid of the rocket launcher.
Why?
Because.
Dude, I got jump scared. Oh my god. No, why'd you put the rocket launcher in there? No! I actually got so scared though. Oh my god. Oh hi, how you go, man? Hi. You're not blending in with anything. Where's the cat?
Meh.
Okay, bro. Okay. Dude, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to. I panicked. So I didn't notice that it was around the corner. So when I panicked, I had my rocket launcher up and I shot it because I panicked. Oh my god. I'm gonna add you as a friend, bro. What do we do? Oh my god. What do we want to do?
I don't know.
I kind of want to go in the arena.
No,
Oh, my
wait.
friend's calling.
No, we
Hold
have to finish this video. Come on. Alright. Get sticks. Get the best item in the game, the stick. Yo, where are you? Dude, okay, I guess we're doing this on our own. On our own time. us. Oh my god, dude, that scared me so bad. Gave me a heart attack, bro. God damn it. Didn't mean to say that, okay? Just slipped out. Where's Armstrong? I might just end the video here. This video is gonna be way too long if I keep going, so we're just gonna end it here. Bye, guys.